Greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Tell me the last time you seen one of these going down the road. We'll tell you the story in a moment. Well, greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here on our showroom floor in Rogers, Minnesota. Today, our latest acquisitions is a 1962 little Studebaker Champ pickup truck. Neat story on the Champ pickups. They were the lowest price pickups in 1962 in the country. The Studebaker people, unfortunately, weren't all that adamant about selling pickups. So unfortunately, even though it was a really great utilitarian vehicle, not as many of them were sold, so you don't see very many of them today. The interesting thing about the truck is that the front end is basically from a 5960 Lark. So they basically use some of the car sheet metal or whatever, trying to be creative with their production stuff, and that's what they use for making the cab for the pickup truck. Nice little pickup truck, got the chrome grille, the painted bumpers, of course, very utilitarian. This particular one has the little 6-cylinder with the 3 on the tree. So obviously you can use it for going down the road and hauling anything that you want. You take a look at the box. The box on this thing is really quite substantial for this year, a pickup truck. It's got a lot of room. You can haul all kinds of stuff in it. I like the fact that it has the Studebaker tailgate, which to me is just really neat, because a lot of people will look at it and they won't know what it is, but seeing the tailgate, you certainly will. The interior is very nice. They put new carpet in. They've got the seat has been redone in red vinyl. Again, like I said, it's a 3 on the tree, so you have to make sure you know how to shift one of those. Some people don't know what that is, but that's because it's on the steering column, and that's where that phrase came from. Got the correct Studebaker hubcaps for 1962, dual mirrors. All around, it's just one of those really interesting little vehicles that if you're looking for something that to go to the local car show that you're not going to see meeting yourself coming down the road, and you kind of are an orphan lover like we are here at Ellingson's. We have lots of interesting cars and vehicles here, everything from Studebakers and Packards and Hudsons and things of that sort. So if you're looking for more information on this truck and many of the other vehicles that we have, please visit our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. You can find us on YouTube, Instagram, and also you can find it on our website. As I said, you can see all our inventory, close to 100 vehicles, everything from the original type trucks such as this, to the street rods, to the resto mods, to late model, very collectible cars. So right here at Ellingson's, you can come and visit us Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5, right here in good old Rogers, Minnesota. We'd love to have you come here, give you a personal tour, let you take a look. But if you're looking for really an interesting little pickup truck that you know, you could actually use, we've got it right here at Ellingson's. Give us a call. Love to talk to you.